Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and to select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. This video is part one of a full bathroom makeover series. And this is a Pinterest photo that I took my inspirations from to update the vanity in my client's guest bathroom. I will be updating the entire bathroom, everything from the floor to the shower, faucets, toilet, organizing the pantry, etc. Again, this is a full bathroom makeover series, but this is part one, which is the updating the vanity only. So if you're interested in following me through this entire series, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified of all the updates of this bathroom makeover series. Now let's get started with this bathroom vanity makeover. Now don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified of part 2 to my client's full bathroom makeover series. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.